Agroecological farming techniques, crop rotation and cover cropping. Title: Agroecological farming techniques, crop rotation and cover cropping. Introduction. Agroecology is a holistic approach to farming that seeks to build resilient food systems that work in harmony with nature. It emphasizes the principles of ecological sustainability, biodiversity, and social equity. In recent years, agroecological farming techniques such as crop rotation and cover cropping have gained significant attention as effective and sustainable practices. These techniques offer numerous benefits, including improved soil health, increased crop yields, reduced reliance on synthetic inputs, and enhanced resilience to climate change. In this article, we will explore the concepts of crop rotation and cover cropping, and shed light on their importance in promoting sustainable agriculture. Crop rotation, an overview. Crop rotation is the practice of growing different crops in sequential seasons within the same field. It is an ancient technique that has been used for centuries across different agricultural systems around the world. The main objective of crop rotation is to break pest and disease cycles while maintaining soil fertility. By alternating the types of crops grown, farmers can disrupt the life cycles of pests, pathogens, and weeds that are specific to certain crops. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides and herbicides, which is both economically and ecologically beneficial. Benefits of crop rotation. 1. Pest and disease management. Crop rotation helps in the control and prevention of pests and diseases. Alternating crops disrupts the habitat of specific pests, reducing their population size and limiting their ability to infest crops. By minimizing pests and diseases, farmers can reduce their reliance on synthetic pesticides and fungicides, leading to healthier ecosystems and safer produce for consumers. 2. Soil health and fertility. Different crops have varying nutrient requirements, and crop rotation allows for a more balanced utilization of soil nutrients. Some crops, such as legumes, have the ability to fix nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil with this essential nutrient. Other crops, like deep-rooted vegetables, can break up compacted soil layers, improving soil structure and water infiltration. By diversifying crop species, farmers can enhance soil fertility and reduce the risk of nutrient depletion. 3. Weed control. Crop rotation can effectively manage weeds without the need for herbicides. Weeds that thrive in one crop may struggle to compete in another due to different growth habits, rooting depths, or allelopathic effects. This reduction in weed pressure helps to maintain crop yield and quality, while minimizing the need for herbicides and their associated environmental impacts. Crop rotation strategies. There are several crop rotation strategies that farmers can implement based on their specific goals and environmental conditions, such as 1. Simple rotation. In this strategy, farmers alternate between 2 or 3 crops over a set period. For example, a typical rotation could involve growing corn, followed by a legume crop, and then a cereal crop. This basic rotation can help break pest cycles and maintain soil fertility. 2. Complex rotation. Complex rotations involve a longer sequence of crops, typically 4 or more, before returning to the original crop. Such rotations are designed to maximize the benefits of diversity, including pest and disease management, improved soil structure, and increased nutrient cycling. Complex rotations tend to be more suitable for larger-scale farms with diversified production systems. Cover cropping, an overview. Cover cropping involves planting temporary crops between cash crop seasons, primarily for the purpose of soil improvement and conservation. These cover crops are not harvested for economic gains but are grown to protect and enhance soil health. Common cover crops include legumes, grasses, and brassicas. They provide a range of benefits, particularly when combined with crop rotation practices. Benefits of cover cropping. 1. Soil erosion control. One of the primary advantages of cover cropping is its ability to prevent soil erosion. The dense root systems of cover crops help hold the soil in place, reducing the risk of erosion caused by wind and water. By protecting the soil, farmers can retain valuable topsoil, which is essential for crop productivity. 2. Nutrient cycling. Cover crops act as nutrient scavengers, capturing excess nutrients from previous cash crops and preventing them from leaching into water bodies. Leguminous cover crops also fix atmospheric nitrogen, adding this essential nutrient to the soil. When the cover crop biomass is incorporated into the soil, it decomposes, releasing nutrients and organic matter, which in turn improves soil fertility. 3. Organic matter addition. Cover crops contribute to the organic matter content of the soil, improving its overall quality and structure. Organic matter plays a crucial role in soil moisture retention, nutrient retention, and microbial activity. Enhanced organic matter levels can lead to better soil tilth, water holding capacity, and overall soil health. Implementing crop rotation and cover cropping. Adopting agroecological farming techniques like crop rotation and cover cropping requires careful planning and consideration. Farmers need to assess their specific farming systems, climate, and crop requirements to develop suitable rotation schedules and identify appropriate cover crop species. Local agricultural extension services, agronomists, and experienced farmers can provide valuable guidance and support throughout the transition to these practices. Crop rotation and cover cropping are two agroecological farming techniques that have gained popularity in recent years due to their effectiveness and sustainability. These techniques offer several benefits, including improved soil health, increased crop yields, reduced reliance on synthetic inputs, and enhanced resilience to climate change. Crop rotation is the practice of growing different crops in sequential seasons within the same field. Its main objective is to break pest and disease cycles while maintaining soil fertility. By alternating the types of crops grown, farmers can disrupt the life cycles of pests, pathogens, and weeds that are specific to certain crops. This reduces the need for chemical pesticides and herbicides, which is both economically and ecologically beneficial. There are several benefits of crop rotation. Firstly, it helps in the control and prevention of pests and diseases.